My name is Isabel Espinosa, and today I will be doing a creative critical reflection of my film promotion project for Ace Media. It is called For You, and right now I'm going to be addressing the first part of the first question, which is how do your products use or challenge conventions? So first I want to talk about film ratings. Film ratings are very important to display um, in the beginning of a trailer, and it signifies if the movie is unsuitable for younger audiences because of violence, etc. Um, so that before people go out to watch the film, they are warned about what may be unsuitable for certain people. We challenged this a little bit because of instead of putting the PG rated or R rated, we put the preview one, the preview film rating, which is right here on the screen. Next, I will be talking about the film production company logo, which is also a convention. Usually, after the film ratings in a trailer, the film production company logo is shown just so that the film is associated to a certain film production company. We use this to create a brand with our film. So next we're going to talk about the title. The title is usually put at the end of trailers just so that the audience is kept on edge about what the film title will be, and also just so that once they've watched the full trailer, once it is at the end, it sticks more with the audience, and we went with that convention. As for editing, usually a trailer convention is to have quick editing, just to not give away that much of the film, and to give important clips to the audience. And we embrace that in more so in our second trailer, which I will show you right now, the convention. Now I'll be talking about our second component, which so for our poster, we wanted the conventions are to have an attractive poster to captivate the viewer's attention, and we did so with this effect that we have on here. It kind of looks like a 3D effect, but it is meant to be a VHS type of effect, and it doesn't give away too much of what what the film is, but it gives just enough so that the viewer can question like what's going on, what's going to happen in this film. To the website conventions, our website embraces all of the typical film website conventions, such as including a homepage, which is right here. We have a review. We have some reviews here, which a person can click through and see all of the reviews that we have. We also have a watch trailers tab where one of the viewers can click on there and watch the trailers directly on the website. Next, we have a synopsis. Our synopsis basically summarizes, without giving away too much detail, what the film is about. We have a cast and crew tab. Here is my partner. My partner's right here, and this is myself, and here we have our actors. Next tab is our social media tab, where you can click on here and it'll take you straight to our Instagram. Same thing here with Facebook, and again with Twitter. Next, we have a screenings tab where whoever is on the website can buy tickets right here, and they can also look in their area to see where the film is being screened. Next, we have a subscribe, where our viewers can subscribe to a mailing list, and you will get behind the scenes extras and things of that sort. About the second part of the first question, which is how do they represent social groups and issues? So our project represents all women and single mothers, and this is embodied through our characters and marketing strategies. Eliza and Ryan, which Eliza is on the right and Ryan is on the left, are two female characters, and they're presented in all of our marketing pieces. So, for example, here we have Ryan, and here we have Eliza in our poster, and on our Twitter we have posts about Eliza, which here is one of them, and here's another one. And our website's color palette is mainly pink and red hues. It has lots of pink and red hues, which attract more of a female audience. And by using these marketing strategies, my partner Anna and I are able to lighten society's views on women empowerment and tackle gender inequality. So now I will be discussing the second question, which is how do elements of your production work together to create a sense of branding? So first I'm going to talk about how the font creates a sense of branding. So as you can see on my desktop, or on my desktop screen, and here we use this type of like handwritten font. It's in cursive, and it has the pink under it, and all of our pieces has this certain handwriting. So I will show you now our poster, which has the same font, and our website has the same font right here, as you can see. And lastly, our trailers also have this font right here, as you can see right here. It has the same font, and also in this one here. So also another way that our productions work together to create a sense of branding is having the production company be prevalent throughout all three of our projects. So I will show you here. Here is the logo, and we have it first on our trailers, which is right here, as you can see. In our poster, we have it right under the For You title, and on the website we have it right again under the For You title. Third question, and I'm going to split this question into two parts. So the first part is, how do your products engage with the audience? So we have made 3 social media accounts as a form of marketing. So first we created a Facebook page because we wanted to reach an older female target audience, which is around 30 to 50 years old. And we decided to use Facebook because of the high activity of this particular audience on Facebook. Next, we created an Instagram that's for our millennial target audience. In order to reach this particular sector, we thought that it would be best to use Instagram because of also their high usage of Instagram. And lastly, for our social media, we decided to make a Twitter for all age groups to be a form of updates, photos, videos, and much more. Discussing the second part of question number 3, which was how would they be distributed as real media products? So for our trailers, my partner and I agreed that it would be best to distribute each trailer differently. So our first trailer that would be released, which would be the longer trailer, which is the one on the screen right now, will first appear in theaters during preview showings. and this will allow us to reach our intended audience since it will preview during a showing of a film under the same genre. So for the second trailer, which is the shorter trailer, it will be distributed on social media platforms such as our Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Along with it being present on social media, the second trailer will be displayed as advertisement on YouTube and television networks like Freeform and the Hallmark Channel. Film poster we will distribute as a real media product through social media, billboards, and in movie theaters. Lastly, I will be addressing the last question, which is how did you integrate technologies, software, hardware, and online into this project? So my partner and I utilized various software, online, and hardware in our project. So in order to film our trailers, we used a Canon T3i camera, which aided us into giving a clear and crisp image. As for editing, we primarily used iMovie and occasionally Adobe Premiere Pro for better quality effects. We used it for our VHS effect, as you can see in this clip right here, and also in this one and various other clips. We could not get that type of effect on iMovie, so we took to Premiere Pro to give us that effect. The film poster was made through Adobe Photoshop CC with a little bit of help of Adobe Lightroom, and Adobe Lightroom aided in enhancing the main image of the poster. And the last component of the project is the website. The last component of our project was created on Wix.com, and this source really allowed us to create a website that was extremely personalized, using our own images, our preferred layout, and also our preferred color palette. Thank you for watching this critical creative reflection.